If you are a mom looking for a side hustle that actually fits into your busy life, then you are in the right place. Whether you're a stay-at-home mom or juggling a job, this side hustle can be done in the pockets of your time. The method I'm about to show you helped me go from a full-time kindergarten teacher and a mom of a 1.5-year-old to now being a stay-at-home mom with my 2 beautiful kids and running my own Etsy shop whenever I want to, still in the pockets of my time. And now I am here to help you do the same. But before we jump into it, let's first talk about print on demand. If you haven't heard about print on demand before, it's a business model where you create designs, which I'm going to show you how to do very easily. You don't have to be an artist or a graphic designer to do this, but you create designs and you sell them on custom products like t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, cell phone cases. And the best part is that you are never handling any inventory or shipping. Instead, a service like Printify does all the work for you. So when you get an order to your Etsy shop, it's synced up to Printify, and then they will print the design onto the product and they'll package it up for you and ship it out to your customers for you, which also means no big investment in products and inventory that may or may not sell. The only thing that's on you is to design, upload, and start selling. I have tried literally every side hustle there is under the sun when I was trying to get out of my teaching position. Anything from MLMs to flipping items and digital products, just many different things. And this by far was the easiest one for me to start and scale as a full-time teacher and a mom. The beauty of this is that you don't need to be a designer and you also won't have to spend hours of your time. When I first started, it would take me hours to do my designs because we didn't have tools like we do now. Now we have a tool like Playground where you can make designs in a matter of seconds. This literally means that you can make designs while your baby naps, while you're waiting in the car line to pick up your kids, in between household tasks. Yes, this can be done from your phone. I like to use my laptop or an iPad, but it can be done from your phone. So there's like no excuses with this. This side hustle is mom friendly, beginner friendly, and it has unlimited potential. It literally changed my life. So in this video, first I'm going to show you how we can make stunning designs with Playground AI in a matter of seconds. Then I'm going to show you how to upload your design within Printify and how you will be selling them on Etsy to be able to make some passive income from home. And if you're really enjoying this video, in my description below, I have a free print on demand to freedom course that shows you literally click by click, step by step, everything that we're going to talk about today, but even further, even deeper to help you get started and selling in a matter of hours. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you're a busy mom looking to make an extra stream of income. Let's dive in. Okay, so the first thing we are doing is browsing Etsy to get some ideas. So I came to the search bar and I typed in girls trip shirts. I want to make a shirt for a girls trip, but you can type anything into the search like teacher shirts or dog shirts or golf lover shirts, whatever type of niche you're interested in designing for. And you're just gonna take a couple minutes to browse and get some ideas of designs that are doing well already. So I can see with my EVERBEE Chrome Extension that this one has made 7 monthly sales so far. This one has made 16 monthly sales. This is for a sister's trip. This one was for a girls' weekend. We have this type of aesthetic for a bachelorette party that is doing well. It has sold 16 times so far. This one right here, girls trip cheaper than therapy, is doing well. Girls trip 2025. This one has made 53 sales this month. And if you haven't noticed, look how simple these designs are. I'm about to take you into playground.com where we can make much more vibrant, beautiful designs in a matter of seconds that will pop out way more than any of the designs on this page. So here we are within Playground, and you can try Playground out in the description below. I will leave a link. You can try out Playground for free, or it's $15 per month with a bunch of extra features, which I'm about to show you during this tutorial. So first we're going to go to t-shirt templates, and all of these templates can be used as as is. These are actually created by real human designers, and the AI piece of it is how we are able to tweak these, which I'm about to show you. Playground gives us the commercial rights to use these as is. However, if you're selling on Etsy, you have to have a part of the creative process. So you can't just take a design from somewhere and plop it on a t-shirt and sell it. You have to make some changes to the design to make it your own. So just keep that in mind. You don't want to get in trouble for just taking a design and selling it as is. So I'm going to come up here, and there's a bunch of different niches up here, as you can see, and we're going to go to travel. I already love this one, but we're gonna browse a little bit more. I like this one too. Like, we could add like girls into the wild. I like the location ones because you could do personalized orders where you change the name of the destination. I'm gonna click into this first one. And as you can see, they will give you more to explore, more designs that are similar to the one that you choose. So I'm just gonna browse here really quick. I'm actually going to click into this one. I want to add a martini glass to her hand. Okay, and then they give a couple different options down here to choose from. I like this one, but her foot is a little bit cut off. That looks good. Now I'm going to change the text to girls trip cheaper than therapy. Create. Perfect. Do you see how fast that happened? Okay, let's check out some of the other ones down here. That one is, her foot is blocked off. Love it, love it. So I am indecisive between this one, and then I thought this one was kind of cool with the olives showing, but I feel like her foot's dipping into the water, but I think that this one looks the best. Now, if you ever want to erase any elements to it, you just come up here to erase object, and you could erase, you just like click, say we wanted to get rid of these, you just click on top of them. I actually like them though, but I wanted to show you this feature, and then you would click erase. Also, if you wanted to add your own text, you can do so up here by adding text and typing in whatever you want. And you can change the colors, and you can also change the font. But I'm not going to do this for this one because they did a really nice job changing it to exactly how I wanted it. Love this, and that fast I have a design. I can take it even further by, let's say I want to do a different aesthetic. However, I like this aesthetic for this, but we can apply a different style by coming up here and clicking, and that fast. That is beautiful. I love that so much. So that is one way, or we can apply a different one. This is cool. This is even more retro right here. This one too. So you can play around with it, and there's just so many different styles that you can change this one design to. You can also come here to change the colors if you want. You can change it to any of these color palettes if you want, but I'm going to keep this as is. And the next thing you do is come up here to export, and then this is what I was talking about earlier. If you use Playground for free, you're able to download this or print it with Playground, but you're unable to remove the background or upscale it to make it, more crisp for your print-on-demand products. Otherwise, you'd have to download and bring this into Photoshop or Canva or somewhere to get rid of the background and to make it a higher quality image. So the $15 a month is worth it in my eyes. The system works much faster, and you're able to upscale and remove background at the same time. But you can try it out for free. Like I said in my description below, try it out for free first, play around with it, make sure it's something that you would definitely use. And now we're going to download it. So here we are within Printify. You can also sign up for Printify for free in the link in my description below. Printify makes it really easy for you to connect it to your Etsy shop. If you don't want to sell on Etsy, you could also sell on Shopify or on TikTok Shop if you'd like. But my favorite platform to sell on and the most easiest is Etsy. And again, I have my free Print on Demand to Freedom course in the description below, which will show you all of this step by step, but it only takes a few minutes to do so. You could do it yourself very easily just by connecting to your Etsy shop here. But we are going to go to catalog, And as you can see, they offer many different products to put your designs on and sell them through print on demand. But for this video, we are doing t-shirts. My biggest selling t-shirt is Bella Canvas 3001. And I like to choose the printer manually, so choose manually. And I like to use either Monster Digital or Swift POD. All of them are great, but these are the ones that most of my listings are connected to. So we're going to go here to start designing, and now I'm going to upload my design. I'm going to center it and scale it. You can also choose any colors that you would like, and we are going to preview this, and here is what it would look like on a t-shirt. And then you would save the product, and then you would fill out the rest of your listing. Again, I show all of this step by step in that free course in my profile description, but you would want to give it a title, and you can get some ideas from the titles that all of these are using. Choose keywords that people are searching for to find these shirts. So girls trip airport shirt, girls trip cheaper than therapy, girls weekend, girls vacation shirts, girls weekend trip, vacay mood shirt. These are all really great keywords that you can add to your title as well. And when you come down here, here are all of the different tags that they used in their listing as well. All of these are what drive the traffic to your listing. These are all keywords that people are typing into the search on Etsy to find this type of product. So you want to optimize your listing with similar keywords. I'm just gonna put girls trip shirt right now, but you would fill this out even more. And then once you publish it, it goes right to your Etsy shop. The next thing you're going to want to do is come to Etsy again and type in white t-shirt mock-up or whatever color t-shirt or whatever product you are looking to sell this design on. The mock-up photo is one of the key sellers in making a sale in your Etsy shop. You want it to be a nice, crisp, aesthetically pleasing mock-up that somebody would feel enticed to click on and purchase. So you're just going to browse until you find one that you like, and you purchase it from Etsy. They will send it to you as a digital download, and then you can use this as many times as you would like within your shop. Here's an example of one that I purchased and downloaded, and I brought this into Canva, and now I'm going to bring in my design and place it on top of the shirt. And you're going to center it, might need to turn it a little bit, and the next important thing you're going to do is come up here to transparency and lower this anywhere between like 90 and 95 so that it looks like it's been printed into the shirt. And then this is the photo that you will be putting in your Etsy listing so that it looks nice and professional. Rather than using the Printify ones, it's much more aesthetically pleasing to do it this way. And I dive into this much further into that free course that I mentioned that is in my description below. Currently, at the moment of this video, it is $15 to start an Etsy shop, and for some reason, for some people it's $29, but most of the time it's $15, and then it's 20 cents per every listing that you put up within your shop. Other than those two expenses, you don't have to pay for anything until you make your first sale, and maybe a few dollars for the mock-up, which I highly suggest because that's going to help you convert sales. Of course, there's a lot more that goes into this than just this 20-minute video, but that's why I have other resources in my description below to help you, and of course weekly videos on here that would help you scale even further. But this video was pretty much just to introduce you to the idea and opportunity of how you can make money as a busy mom just like I did. I'm sure you're going to have a lot of questions from this video, so go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. I will try my best to get back to each and every one of you. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that my advice helped you. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.